Hi guys, today in this video we will see how to make or how to mold a 3D letter, and you can see in this video the letters after cutting from CNC machine is filing for clearing the edges. After clearing the edges, now you can see in this video we are removing the paper from one side of the letter. There are papers on both sides and we will remove one side, the paper. Here in this video you can see this is aluminum channel. This is 9 centimeters in width. This is used to mold the 3D letters. So there are two sides, one with black and nylon strip. I will explain that. You can see here there is a small particle left after cutting, so you need to clear that surface. So here we are filing and making that clear, and we will check every surface is very smooth for a very precise molding. So after clearing all the edges and surfaces, we will take measurement. We will take measurement of overall length. We will take overall length, and you can see he is taking the measurement, and after that we will cut the overall length from the aluminum channel so that he can mold. So in this way we will take measurement of each letter and we will cut that portion from the aluminum channel. That's a roll, 50-meter roll. Now with the overall measurement of the letter, he is measuring that channel, and we will cut that portion separately. Each letter will be carried out like this. He is putting some extra length. Okay. This device here is used to straighten the channel. If any bends are there, it will be rectified. Now after cutting each portion for each pieces for individual letters, now we will see how to mold the letter. So initial phase we will measure each distance from a point, each distance between 2 points. Actually see he is taking the measurements of inner C portion, a point to point measurement, and after taking that measurement he will mark that in the channel, and with the help of sharp edge device he will put a 90-degree mark so that he can bend that area. So this aluminum channel is easily flexible. It's not a very rigid substance. So you can see the C is a curve. So after marking each point, he will with the 90-degree device L angle. You can see that is an L angle which is used for measuring or marking 90 degrees. So he will measure each edges in a simultaneous way, and he will mark with an edge device. After that he will bend. Each marked area will be bended. So he is taking the measurement of outer area and he will mark that as well. So he will mark until the start point. So after putting mark on the aluminum channel, you can see here we will file each marking area. This is the bottom side, so we will file that area 45-45. We will slightly make slopes on both sides so that it can be easily folded. So you can see a nylon strip is there and a sponge, black sponge on the top, and he's making this filing process on the top of the letter. That nylon strip will be coming on the top of the letter. Here we will adhere the plastic to that nylon strip, and the black sponge is the bottom side. After that, as you see in this video, we will manually fit the acrylic to the molded or the bended aluminum cannon. So in this way, each letters are molded. You can see clearly in this video, the black surface is on the bottom. As I said, it comes to the bottom side, and the nylon strip side is on the top, so that here in this video you can see the acrylic. This acrylic, which is plastic, and the nylon strip is also a plastic material, which adheres together with the help of chloroform. Chloroform are used for melting to acrylic, so it becomes rigid.